What it do, Dream Team? It's your boy Neal back with another reaction video, guys. Here we are with how Germans react to ambulance siren. I'm intrigued to see. Before we do though, make sure you subscribe to the channel, ring notification bell, get a video a thumbs up so I get suggested. What we got? Oh wow. Wow. They part the Red Sea. That's Moses planting his staff and parting the Red Sea, bro. That's beautiful, and I think that's exactly how an ambulance siren should be reacted to. In America, I don't know if I've ever seen an ambulance coming down the highway. I've seen ambulance on highways on the scene of car crash, but I don't know if there's ever been a crash and they've been coming behind me where I had to like. But the way they just move to both sides of the highway is incredible. I feel like on ours, the ambulance or the cops will come down the right side. If there was like traffic or they would be coming down the right side. But this is beautiful. All the cars moving out the way, stopping. That one car in the middle was struggling to find like, where can I find an opening? Where can I get out of this ambulance's way? But it did, and yeah. I mean, if you hear an ambulance siren, then you have to know it's something serious up ahead. So the fact that all these cars all got to the side, parted the sea, and made plenty of space for this ambulance to come through and be able to get to that person that called or get to the accident or wherever as quick as possible. That's beautiful to see. It's beautiful to see. Uh-oh. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Here's where it looks like it started getting difficult. Maybe it looks like now there's not enough room on the side because now everybody's on the side, but those cars in the middle, they don't have a place to squeeze and fit in. So they're trying to get to the sides. It just seems like they're struggling to find a place to squeeze and get out of the ambulance way. But wow. 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 There you go. That's what happened. I feel like our cops get on the right side. And just that fast. Wow. I honestly think that was absolutely phenomenal. You saw a struggle for maybe like 5 seconds in the cars trying to get to the side of the road, but that's it. Other than that, man, that ambulance had basically a clear path to get to the people that needed the help. That was incredible. That was, yeah, the sea opened up, it parted, and that's what should happen when the ambulance comes. That's crazy. Shout out to Germany for that. That's all we got. You guys got a favorite video suggestion? You can subscribe to Patreon or drop it in the comment section. Subscribe to the channel. Ring notification bell. Give the video a thumbs up so it gets suggested. It's your boy Neal. Out.